Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, I have something exciting for you guys. In this video, I'll be unboxing and doing the full review for the Acer Nitro 5. Now mind you, this is the 2018 edition with the Ryzen 5 CPU, and there is a new version of this laptop with Intel 9th generation processors, but that's going to be more expensive, and yeah, that is an option. But yeah, it's not available for sale in India as of the moment, like, right at the time of making this video. So in this video, we'll be doing the unboxing and my full review of the Acer Nitro 5 2018. And in my opinion, this is the best budget, cheapest gaming laptop for people who don't want to spend a lot of money, under 50,000 rupees. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll give you guys a very special discount where you can buy this laptop for 45,000 rupees from Supercomputers and Laptops, Bangalore. So, keep watching if you want to, hear about that. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, let's get started. So yeah, first up is the unboxing part. Nothing really, exciting in a laptop unboxing. So break the seal and you can take out the flaps. Taking a look at the accessories itself, you have the power brick, so this will do the charging. It is pretty heavy and pretty decently large. Nothing really small, nothing really compact, but yeah, it's still pretty portable. You can carry it in your bag, and you also have your wall plug. So this goes into your wall, this goes into your laptop. They connect, and that's how you can power your laptop and even charge it. And again, that's pretty self-explanatory. Comes with every laptop. And yeah, now coming to the laptop itself, this is the Acer Nitro 5. Here you have it, the Acer Nitro 5. Yeah, right out of the box, this screams gamery. This is a gaming laptop. You can find out from the top design and the build quality itself. It is completely plastic, but you can see that carbon fiber kind of finish on the top that has the lines going. And opening it up, you have, again, screaming gamery. You have a 15.6-inch full HD display, so 1920 into 1080. This is an IPS panel, so I appreciate Acer for that. And you have your full-size keyboard with the number pad and a full-size trackpad. And this has red backlighting, and I do have a problem with it. I'll talk about it later. So yeah, this is the overview of the laptop itself. And on the back, you have your Lamborghini style exhaust, and yeah, this helps in cooling. Port situation of this laptop is pretty good. So you have your SD card reader, you also have your USB port, your HDMI, and a USB Type-C on a very budget laptop. In my opinion, that is again a really good feature. And also RJ45 Ethernet jack and your Kensington lock slot. On this side of the laptop, you have your headphone jack and 2 USB ports. So yeah, IO wise, this is again pretty good. This can pass your one hand lift test, so you can lift it with one hand because the bottom is again heavier than the top. So yeah, it's a gaming laptop, proves it. The hinge itself is again pretty good quality, pretty tactile. There is no creakiness, and in terms of flexing, yeah, the display does flex a little bit, but in my opinion, this laptop can definitely take a beating. And yeah, it's built really well. Again, it is completely plastic, but the plastic isn't cheap. It is really good quality plastic. And the matte finish ensures that, yeah, it looks like a really, premium laptop. It's not shiny or glossy or anything, but it does catch fingerprints very easily. Like, we just opened up the laptop and we already have some fingerprints. Now, let's talk about the specs and some of the positives, and then we'll talk about some of the negatives of this laptop. Powering this laptop is the Ryzen 5 2500U. So yeah, you have a quad-core processor in this laptop, and you have 8 GB of DDR4 RAM at 2400 MHz, which is expandable up to 32 GB. You also have 1 TB hard drive. You also have M.2 slots. You can add a SSD of your own, no problem. And you have the AMD Radeon RX 560X graphics with 4 GB of GDDR5 VRAM. And those specs for 45,000 rupees, if you buy it from my shop, or if you buy it online, it will cost you 49,990 rupees. This is a really good deal, and it can beat any premium laptop in this range, like Ultrabooks or anything. This has got definitely really good specs. And talking about that display, in my opinion, it could have been a little more brighter. But the display is again really good quality. It's full HD and it is an IPS panel. It's definitely better than a TN panel, in the lower quality laptops. If you want to consume any type of content, this display should help get a better experience. And yeah, you have Windows 10 Pro out of the box, no problem. And talking about the trackpad and keyboard, in my opinion, the trackpad and keyboard are both of really decent quality. They're really good. The keyboard is good, the travel is good, it's not mushy or anything. It feels good to type and even game on this keyboard. The trackpad is pretty accurate. The gestures work really well, and you also have Windows precision drivers here. But my only gripe with this laptop would be the backlighting and how the keyboard looks. So there's only red color backlighting, there's no other color. And without the backlighting, it's very hard to see what's written on the keys. So you cannot really read what's written on the keys. And that's going to be a big, major drawback for many people, because if you're typing and doing work on this laptop, and if you're not really used to, a big keyboard, if you're not a, heavy gamer or a typer, and you don't know what key is where, that will be a big problem. So only the red backlighting. I think Acer should at least add blue backlighting or some sort of brighter light, or maybe just change the way the font is on the keyboard or the color of the font. They can still make it transparent and glow, but yeah, this is how they've done it, and it is one of my huger drawbacks. Next thing should be the smaller battery in this laptop. Again, this is a gaming laptop, so you're not expecting the best battery life, but if you were to use it at 50 to 80% brightness, you should get around 4 to 4.5 hours of screen on time. But if you're playing any heavy games or doing any heavy tasks like video editing and things like that, the battery life will decrease significantly, and that's number 2 on my cons list. And number 3 should be that it has a hard drive. Now I do get it that it is a cheap budget laptop, but SSDs are very cheap now. You can get a 120 gigabyte SSD for around 1400 rupees, and it's not really hard to put one in a laptop like this. So yeah, it's not going to be a deal breaker. You can definitely add an SSD, no problem. It's very easy. You can buy one and just put in the laptop. You can use the hard drive as a mass storage device to dump files, whereas you can have your Windows and stuff on the SSD. You can have your important programs on the SSD. So overall, all in all, this laptop is pretty good. You have your webcam on the top. Again, it is potato quality, but what else can you expect from this? And yeah, this laptop, in my opinion, is a really good entry level starting option if you want to get into gaming, and if you want a portable machine that's not going to break the bank, is going to provide you value for money and bang for your buck. This should be the laptop you're looking for. If you buy it from Amazon, you'll get it for 49,990 rupees. But if you buy it from Supercomputers and Laptops Bangalore, that is in SP Road, you can get this laptop for 45,000 rupees. So that's going to be a huge price drop. So if you live in Bangalore, hit me up, contact me, or contact Supercomputers and Laptops. All their details are down below in the description. So yeah, check them out. Their website is down below, their Facebook, their Twitter, and their Instagram, and also their contact details are all down below. So contact them for a really good discount. It's only for you guys. So yeah, if you want it for a cheaper price, you can do that. And yeah, as I'm speaking, you have the antivirus thing coming up. Also, this is going to be another drawback. There is bloatware on this laptop. So as it is a cheaper laptop, you do have bloatware pre-installed. So Acer had to do some collaborations to get the price down and do some advertisements, some promotions in this laptop. But other than that, I don't really have any big major drawbacks from this laptop. It is built really well. It is not going to overheat that much. It does make noise, it does get a little warm, but there's nothing throttling inside. There is decent amount of cooling. Upgradability is pretty easy in this laptop, so you can definitely take off the back panel, upgrade the RAM, and also upgrade the hard drive and add a M.2 SSD, no problem. And it's going to be very user upgradable. You can just take off the screws and that should be decent. Speakers on this laptop are, as I say, decent. They're not the best, they're not the greatest. And yeah, other than that, to summarize this whole review, build quality is on point. It is plastic, but really good quality plastic. Display is on point. It could have been brighter, but it is an IPS panel, so appreciate that. Specs are on point. It's a really powerful machine for the price. Upgradability is on point, it's there. Talking about the cons, battery life is not that great, but again, this is a gaming laptop, so you always are going to keep it plugged in when you're at home. So do that. When you take it out, it should be fine. 4 to 4.5 hours, no problem. 50 to 80% brightness. Also, the keyboard only has red backlighting. It's tough to see the letters if the backlighting is not on. And yeah, again, red backlighting only without any other color option should be a problem for many people. If you don't like red, or just if you're colorblind, if you can't see red, that's going to be a problem as well. And number 3 should be the slow hard drive, but there are workarounds for that. You can, add in an SSD, no problem. Other than that, nothing really wrong with this laptop. It's really worth it for the price, and I definitely recommend going for this. If you have some extra money and if you're, willing to wait, you can go for either the 8th generation CPUs or the newer 9th generation CPUs that might come in September of 2019. So the Acer Nitro 5 with the 9th generation should be available in India in the next few months. So yeah, wait for that. If you want to stay in the budget, don't want to spend a lot of money, for 49,990, this is a really good pick. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my review on the Acer Nitro 5. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash the like button. If it was helpful, let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the laptop, about the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.